In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on the Whop app. Changing your username is a simple way to refresh your profile or make it easier for people to recognize you, and the whole process only takes a minute or two. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own device. First, open Whop and head to your home dashboard. If you're using a browser, this is usually the main page you see right after you log in. On mobile, just make sure you're on the main home screen where your feed and memberships are visible. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your usual details. Then you should land on the home dashboard automatically. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar, your initials, or a small user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. This menu is where you can access things like your profile, settings, and sometimes logout options. After you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear, and within that menu, you'll see a gear icon. The gear icon always represents settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can adjust things like your name, username, and other general details. On the settings page, you'll see a field for your name at the top, and just below that, there will be a field specifically labeled for your username. Click into the username field. When you do this, your current username will become editable, and your cursor will appear there, ready for you to make changes. Now, type in the new username you want to use. Take a moment to choose something that represents you well and is easy to remember. Keep in mind that usernames often need to be unique. So if the one you want is already taken, you may need to add a number or a slight variation. Also, avoid using any sensitive personal information in your username. Once you're happy with your new username, look for the button that says Save Changes. Click on Save Changes to confirm the update. After a moment, your new username will be applied to your